was really hard. I got a real high pain tolerance. But you did drop me, you know, you did split me, and I was feeling some type of way. Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, bro. My pride hurt, nigga. Period. Nigga, ass over here talking about nigga lying and shit. Fuck, I gotta lie for it. Nigga, most genuine nigga here, period, nigga. Nigga over here getting his ass whooped. Bitch ass nigga out here fucking these hoes. I was ready for
That nigga said pussy breaker. That almost had me. Why is they playing like this? Aaron the Plumber and Pussy Breaker is crazy. What the fuck? What show is that? That should be fucked up, but I had to keep it together. She said, don't laugh. All right, man.
I laughed.
Yeah. I said, I hit him one time, and he went down, so I hit him again. Pussy breaker.
He went down slow mo.
Oh, no. What happened after that?
Shit said pussy breaker like it was like a new move or a critical hit. It was funny as
He
shit,
just
bro.
achieved a new title in life.